Welcome to testpassport.com. New CompTIA A plus 220-1002 exam questions are available. Share some CompTIA A plus 220-1002 exam questions in this video. 1. A technician is recycling PCs to be reused by a middle school. Which of the following methods is most appropriate for ensuring data has been removed from the PCs? A. Standard formatting. B. HD drilling. C. Low-level formatting. D. HD partitioning. Answer, C. 2. Which of the following technologies is used by malicious employees to obtain user passwords? A. Main in the middle. B. Phishing. C. Tailgating. D. Shoulder surfing. Answer, D. 3. A computer becomes infected with malware, which manages to steal all credentials stored on the PC. The malware then uses elevated credentials to infect all other PCs at the site. Management asks the IT staff to take action to prevent this from reoccurring. Which of the following would best accomplish this goal? A. Use an antivirus product capable of performing heuristic analysis. B. Use a host-based intrusion detection system on each computer. C. Disallow the password caching of accounts in the administrators group. D. Install a UTM in between PC endpoints to monitor for suspicious traffic. E. Log all failed login attempts to the PCs and report them to a central server. Answer, D. 4. A team needs to deploy a temporary server room at a site to provide support during construction. Which of the following should they use at this site while setting up the server room? A. Air filters. B. Privacy screens. C. Vacuums. D. ESD mats. Answer, A. 5. A technician is installing the latest OS on a user's system. The user wants all of the settings and file to remain intact during the installation. Which of the following upgrade methods should the technician use? A. Network installation. B. Clean install. C. In-place upgrade. D. Image deployment. Answer, C. 6. A security team is auditing a company's network logs and notices that a USB drive was previously inserted into several of the servers. Many login attempts were then successfully performed using common login information. Which of the following actions should be taken to close the vulnerability? Select 2. A. Disable guest account. B. Remove admin permissions. C. Modify autorun settings. D. Change default credentials. E. Run OS security updates. F. Install a software firewall. Answer, A, C. 7. A small business has an open Wi-Fi network for employees but does not want customers to connect to the access point. A technician has been dispatched to address the business's concerns. Which of the following configuration settings should the technician change to satisfy the requirements of the business? Select 2. A. Default SSID. B. MAC filtering. C. NAT. D. QoS. E. Signal strength. F. Encryption. Answer, B, E. 8. Which of the following is considered government-regulated data? A. P. B. End-user license agreement. C. Digital Millennium Copyright Act. D. DRM. Answer: A. 9. Which of the following features has undergone the most significant changes from Windows 7 to Windows 10 and greatly simplified the operating system installation process? A. Driver detection. B. Metro interface. C. Account control. D. PXE installation. Answer: A. 10. A technician is working on a user's workstation and notices a lot of unknown processes running in the background. The user informs the technician that an application was recently downloaded from the Internet. Which of the following types of infection does the user most likely have? A. Rootkit. B. Keylogger. C. Trojan. D. Ransomware. Answer: A.